Standard 8 Subject General Science Lesson number 17 Man-made Materials Plastics. Plastic. We know that plastic is a man-made materials. It is made up of organic polymers. It exhibits the property which is known as plasticity. The structure of all the plastic is not the same. Some have linear structure and some have cross-linked or circular structure. Plastics are of two types, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics. The plastic that can be molded as per our wish is known as thermoplastics. Example of thermoplastics are polythene, that is PE, and polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. And the examples are toys, comb, plates, bowls, etc. Thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastics are that plastic which once set in a given shape and solidified do not become soft on heating and cannot be molded a second time. And the examples are electric switches and covering of handles of cookers. Thermoplastics have some subtypes. The first one is polyvinyl chlorides. It is used in to manufacturing of bottles, raincoats, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable, insulation, furniture, ropes, toys, etc. Second subtype is polystyrene. It is used in to manufacturing of thermo-insulating parts of electric appliances such as refrigerator, gear of the machines, toys, protective covering of CD and DVD, etc. And the next type is polyethylene. It is used in milk bags, packing bags and flexible garden pipes, etc. And the next type is polypropylene, and it is used in to manufacturing of parts of loudspeaker, parts of vehicle, ropes, mattresses and in the laboratory appliances. Now we are going to learn the types of thermosetting plastics. It is mainly of four types: bakelite, melamine, polyurethane and polyester. Let's see them one by one. Bakelite. It is used in cabinets of the radio, TV, telephone, electric switches, toys, covering over handles of the cookers, etc. And the next subtype is melamine. It is used in cups and saucer, plates, trays, spare parts of airplane engine, electric insulating covering and sound insulating covering. And the next type is polyurethane, and the examples are surfing boards, small boats, furniture, seats in the vehicles, etc. And the next type is polyester. It is used into manufacturing of fiberglass, toners of the laser printer, textile industries, etc. Do you know there are some more types of plastics such as polyacrylic? It is used in lenses and artificial teeth. And the next one is Teflon. It is used in coating of vehicles. Teflon coating protect vehicle from scratches. Dear students, Plastic possess certain properties which make them materials of choice for all sorts of uses. We will do some more topics in the next video. Thank you.